Hi students, welcome to second standard maths class. Okay, in previous class what we saw? We saw the second lesson patterns. Okay, patterns means what? Some numbers, colors, sounds or shapes repeat again and again in a same manner is called pattern. Okay, you already know the pattern in colors, sounds and shapes. In this lesson we are saw the patterns in numbers and also shapes. Okay, this is very useful for you. Okay, I hope all are very clear about the patterns in numbers, shapes, colors, sounds. Okay, today we are going to see the next topic in the same pattern lesson. The topic is iterative pattern. Okay, see what is the topic. Okay, see the topic is iterative pattern. Okay, it is also a pattern. Pattern means what? Some numbers or some shapes come again and again is a pattern. Iterative pattern means it has some common rules. Okay, and the pattern belongs to that. Okay, iterative pattern means some common difference or some common rule are there in the pattern. The pattern is called iterative pattern. Okay, see first one, observe the iterative nature of the number of toys with respect to the number of tokens. They are giving some number of tokens and number of toys. You are going to find the iterative pattern and answer these questions. Okay, see number of tokens. How many tokens? Number of token means 1 2 3 4. In these four numbers, what is the common rule or common difference? First you have to find the common difference in first two. See, first number is 1, second number is 2. What is the difference between these two? You are going to subtract first in second. Okay, first and second you are going to subtract. 2 minus 1 means what is the difference? Here are the difference 1. Okay, first you find the common difference, then add the difference to get the next number. 2 plus 1 means 3. Add that one. 2 plus 1 means 3 and 3 plus 1 means 4. This is called iterative pattern. Iterative pattern means what? They are having some common difference or common rule. First find the common rule. If you want to find the next number means you are going to add the common rule. Okay, in the given number. Then only you get the iterative patterns. Okay, iterative pattern என்னன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்கன்னா நார்மல் பேட்டர்னா உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் சரிங்களா. நார்மல் பேட்டர்னா என்ன? ஒரே ஒரு வடிவம் அல்லது ஒரு நம்பர் திரும்ப திரும்ப வரது தான் பேட்டர்ன். ஓகே, ஐட்ரேட்டிவ் பேட்டர்னா அதில் ஒரு காமனான ஒரு விதி இருக்கும், இல்லைன்னா ஏதோ ஒரு விஷயம் அதில் இருக்கும். அதை நீங்கள் கண்டுபிடிச்சி அடுத்த நம்பர் உங்களுக்கு வேணும்னா நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும்? நீங்கள் ஒரு டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருப்பீங்களே, அந்த டிஃப்ரென்ஸை கொடுத்துருக்குற பிஃபோர் நம்பரோட நீங்கள் ஆட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்பர் கிடச்சிடும். அதுதான் ஐட்ரேட்டிவ் பேட்டர்ன். See this one, 1 2 3 4 are given. First we find the difference in 2 and 1. First two numbers. The difference is what? 1. So we are getting the next number means we are adding plus 1 in the before number. 2 plus 1 means 3. This is called iterative pattern. Like this you are going to find the iterative pattern in number of toys. 2 4 6 8. First subtract these two numbers. 4 minus 2 means what? 2. So the common rule is 2. If you want to get the next number means add the common difference in the before number. 4 plus 2 means what? 6. So plus 2. 6 plus 2 means 8. Okay, this is called iterative pattern. Okay, I hope all are very clear about the iterative pattern. See the question. You are going to answer this question. Okay, and also I am giving the homework in book. Okay, today homework is book work. Do it in book. If you don't have book means write the question in your maths note and answer in your maths note also. Okay, see the first one. Answer the following questions. What is the pattern found in the number of tokens? In tokens, what is the pattern we have found? Okay, iterative pattern. And what is the difference between 1? We are adding plus 1 means we are getting the next number. So the pattern is plus 1. Okay, what is the pattern seen in the number of toys? Okay, in number of toys, what is the pattern we are seeing? We are adding plus 2. So the pattern is plus 2. Okay, see the next one. How are the number of tokens related to the number of toys? Okay, in this number of token, how it is related to the number of toys? If 1 token means there are 2 toys. If 2 token means there are 4 toys. Okay, then 3 token means there are 6 toys. If 4 token means there are 8 toys. Okay, if The token is 1 increasing means number of toys also increasing in 2. Okay, so the pattern in related to the token and number is 1 token means there are 2 toys. Okay, so one token equal to 2 toys. That is the relation between these two, token and toys. See, can you guess the number of toys if there are 5 tokens? See, if here is 5 means what is the answer for number of toys? Plus 4 plus 1 means we are getting 5. Like this, 8 plus 2 means we are getting 10. So the iterative pattern of this 5 token means 5 equal to 10. 5 token equal to 10 toys. This is the iterative pattern. Okay, I hope all are very clear about that. Okay, see the next one. Observe and continue the pattern for the 2 more steps. Okay, you are going to find the next 2 steps. I already told you that iterative means there is a common rule in this. You have to find the common rule first. Okay, see this. First one is they are having one box, one square box. Next is here 1. Next they are adding 1, 2, 3. How many they are adding? 2. 1 plus 2 means 2. So here 3. Then common difference is 1 and 3 common difference, we are getting 2. So you are going to add 3 plus 2 means 5. Then 5 plus 2 means 7. 7 plus 2 means 9. Okay, you are going to draw the picture 7 boxes and 9 boxes here. Okay, this is the iterative pattern. Like this you are going to complete in your book. This is your homework. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. You are going to add 2, 2. Okay, see this. See the first one. There are how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. And here 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. And here 1, 2, 3 steps. Next, here 2 steps and 1 steps. Okay, you are going to draw this like this. You are going to draw 7 means first you put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here 5. We are going to draw here 7 and here 9. Okay, you are going to draw. Don't write the number only. You have to draw the picture also. Okay, see 1. Here 1, 3, 5. Next is 7 dots and 9 dots. Okay, you are going to draw the dots. Next, see the first one. First one is in right side. Sorry, first one is in left side and second one is in right side. Third one is left and the fourth one is right and the fifth one is left. You are going to write that. Okay, left, right like that. Okay, you are going to draw the picture. One side, one is right side and one is left side. Okay, this is your homework. Do it in your book. Okay, do it neatly. Okay, see the next one. Strike the odd one in the given picture. Draw the correct image to replace it in the given space. Okay, first you have to find the odd one in this given pattern and you have to write the correct one for the odd one in this given space. Okay, first find the odd one. First is red ball and a big ball, red ball and a big ball, red small ball and a big ball. Here there is a blue ball. This is the odd one and a big ball. Okay, here we see the pattern. Small red ball, big ball, small red ball, big ball, small red ball and big ball. Then what is the next one? Small red ball. So strike this one and draw the small ball and color it. Okay, draw the small ball and color it red color. Okay, you are going to draw the ball and color it also. Okay, this is your homework. Like this you are going to find the odd one. See this. First ribbon is violet, next is green, violet, green, violet. The next is what? The small size green. Okay, so draw the small size ribbon and color it. Okay, this is also your homework. Like this you are going to find the odd one and draw the correct one and color it. Okay, this is also your homework. See the next one. Okay, they are giving some pictures. First you find what are the pictures having. See the first one, that is a sugar, right? Okay, sugar. And the second one, red chilli. Third one, jaggery. It is used in pongal. Okay, fourth one is pepper. Okay, fifth one is, this is also a jaggery. Okay, black jaggery. Okay, black jaggery. and the fifth one is clove. Okay, what is the taste of the given things? See the first one, sugar. Sugar having sweet taste, and red chili, it is having spicy taste, hot taste. Okay, it is having spicy taste. Third one is jaggery, it is also a sweet. Fourth one is pepper, it is also, sorry, it is a spice. Fifth one is black jaggery, it is also a sweet. And the sixth one is clove, it is also a spice. See the what is the pattern given? One sweet, one spice, one sweet, one spice, one sweet, one spice. This is the given pattern. Okay, first you find the pattern, then only you are going to answer the question. Okay, it is very easy. See the first question, what is the first one? See, what is the first one? First one is sugar, right? Sugar in the first question. The answer for first one is sugar. See the second one, what is the nature of it? Sugar having sweet taste, so you write sweet. Like this you are going to answer the another remaining questions. Okay, see the third question, what is the second one? Second one is red chili, so write red chili. What is the nature of it? It is having spicy taste or hot taste. Okay, see the next one, what is the third one? Third one is jaggery. Okay, write jaggery. And what is the nature? It is having the sweet taste. And can you tell how are the items ordered or arranged? In this given picture, how are the items are arranged? One sweet, one spice. So write sweet hyphen spice. Okay, or sweet hot. Okay, like that you are going to write. Can you tell what could be the next one in this series? First sweet, next spice, sweet, spice, sweet, spice. Then what is the next one? Sweet. So write sweet. Okay, I hope all are very clear about the iterative pattern. Iterative pattern means what? It is also a pattern, but it is having the some common rule. Okay, that is called iterative pattern. Okay, if you are first find the common rule in the given pattern, okay, then only you are going to write or find the next number in the pattern or next shape or next sound. That is iterative pattern. Okay, I hope all are very clear about the iterative pattern. These all are your homework. Okay, do it the homework correctly. Okay, and send it. If you don't have book means write the homework in your max note and send it. Okay, thank you.